All right, let's look at the homework 9, problem number 17. All right, let's evaluate this indefinite integral here. All right, so we're gonna let u be x plus 7. All right, then we're gonna take the derivative of u with respect to x. So this is equal to 1. All right. Then in this case, it's simple enough. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply by dx. So we can see that the du and the dx can be used interchangeably, right? So we have, this is going to be our u, right? Then we need to rewrite x. So to do that, we can just rewrite this substitution equation, and by subtracting 7, right, u minus 7 is equivalent to x, right? So we can rewrite this integral as, right, x is now same thing as u minus 7. And then you have a square root of u. So square root of u, I'm going to write the square root as a 1/2 power since it's equivalent. And dx and du can be used interchangeably, right? Then I'm going to distribute u to the 1/2 to each term. So we get integral, right? So u to the 1 plus 1/2 is going to be 3/2 power minus 7 times u to the 1/2 power, right, with respect to u, right? So this is just going to be a power rule. So add 1 to the power. So that's going to be 5/2. Divide by 5/2 is equivalent to multiply by 2/5. So we have that. And the negative 7 is already there. And add 1 to the power. So it's going to be 3/2 power. Divide by 3/2 is equivalent to multiply by 2/3. Right? So since this is an indefinite integral, you have a plus some constant c. Right? Then we just need to put the x plus 7 back in for u. So we're going to have 2/5. Then we have x plus 7 raised to the 5/2 power minus 14 over 3. Then we have x plus 7 raised to the 3/2 power and plus some constant c. All right, so let's type it in. All right, so what we got is 2 over 5, and we have x plus 7 raised to the 5/2 power, so 5/2 power, and minus 14 over 3, and quantity x plus 7 raised to the 3/2 power and plus some constant c. All right, so let's check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.